everyone, what's happening, what's going on? Yet another day, yet another YouTube video for you guys. Yes, trying to be regular because काफ़ी लोग मुझे मैसेज करते हैं that please be regular. But fortunately 2 दिन से बारिश नहीं है. It's humid as hell. Literally my t-shirt is soaked in sweat. आज I'm going to take my bike back from service, but that clip will be added to the service vlog. Well, today's vlog is focused on the bar and indicators. Yes, ये मैं handle bar पे नहीं डाल रहा हूँ, बाकी आपको वीडियो देख के समझ आ जाएगा. Let's go meet Siddhant. I have to also pick some gear, arrange them right there for you guys because I'm planning a proper gear video for you guys, how to buy, what size to wear and everything like that. So वो भी pipeline में है. We'll focus on that a lot. And let's not waste time. I'll just quickly have a little tea and some food and then rush to the garage. Oh, by the way, today's shades are different. So I got my Trip Machine saddlebag, which is the mini pannier. वीडियो नहीं देखा है तो ज़रूर देख लेना. आई लव दिस बैग. फिलहाल तो स्लिंग की तरह लगाऊंगा, देन ऑन द बाइक एंड आई एम टेकिंग दिस. सो आई एम श्योर यू गाइस आर वंडरिंग दैट मैं तो बाइक लेने जा रहा हूँ तो गाड़ी में क्यों जा रहा हूँ. माई कार इज़ गोइंग टू द गराज विद माई ब्रदर टू चेक ऑन हिज कार विच इज़ गेटिंग अ इंसेन मेक ओवर. येस, ही ओन्स अ मारुति रिच, तो उसका पूरा मेक ओवर हो रहा है विशाल के गराज पे. Okay, till he gets the tools, meanwhile I can just show you all the capacity of this bag. This is really cool. Yeah, my entire toolbox fits in it perfect. So if I'm planning a ride where I have my normal seat and I have my tail bag along with a tool bag, this is sorted. Even my drone fits in it. So if I'm going for breakfast rides or that's how I will start my ride again, hopefully, then I'll carry this bag. But if I'm going to do long rides, then definitely the whole setup changes. But Trip Machine, as always, fantastic job. Oh, something similar. Something similar. By the way, Sid is the guy who had given me this as a birthday gift. It's one of the best birthday gifts. So I think we should start our process, right?
Yep, we should.
Oh Lord. ये 1% भी नहीं होगा जो सिद्धांत के घर पे है. फाइनली सुबह से पानी नहीं पिया है. अभी डायरेक्ट आरी से आ रहा हूँ ना, स्ट्रेट सर्विस करा के. सर्विस अच्छा था. वॉशिंग डोंट एक्सपेक्ट फ्रॉम इशना व्हील्स. वॉशिंग इन लोग का इतना नहीं है. एंड येस, इंजन पे प्रॉपर मेरा वीडियो आने वाला है. एंड अभी तो मैं काफ़ी चला रहा था बाइक. वो आई कॉन्ट बिलीव. वॉर्म है, ठीक है, डिसेंट वॉर्म है, बट आई एम होल्डिंग इट. मैं पिछले 1.5 घंटे से चला रहा हूँ बाइक. आई फॉरगॉट माई कैमरा इन माई बैकपैक, सो आई एम यूजिंग माई फ़ोन. सो सॉरी अबाउट द क्वालिटी गाइस. But content matters more, right, Siddhant?
Yep, absolutely.
Okay. And Razak bhai from Auto Harbor Spa gave me a special nut with a washer system, so it's easier. We don't need a washer. Now I have tried this. It works perfectly fine, but the clipping part is your job.
Okay.
And if the stage happens where I have to go up to Siddhant's house to show you something, guys, get ready for it. I hope that happens. I hope he has to go home for some small parts or something and I want to show something in his house. He calls me, Raj uncle, आज आप Call of Duty खेलने नहीं आए. And I'm like, भाई बहुत काम है घर पे. So we are.
Chitra will look at her messages and she'll be like, आपने राज अंकल को कॉल किया? हाँ. मैं क्या बोलूँ, मैं busy हूँ मैं. अच्छा.
So we are removing the headlight first. Actually, a lot of people will think it's not necessary, but it's kind of important. And a little bit of paint is chipped here. but वैसे भी आगे जाके ब्लैक पाउडर कोट होने वाला है. ये सब काफ़ी कुछ ब्लैक करने वाला हूँ क्योंकि आरी में देखो रस्ट. ये देखो, यू कैन सी दैट. ये अंदर जाता है यहाँ से पानी एंड देन वो रस्ट आता ही है. सो हेडलाइट में डेफिनेटली पाउडर कोट करूँगा. सेम थिंग विथ माई GT 535 आई हैव डन. And the reason we removed this is because this idiotic nut right here is a little challenging to open up the side indicators. You go to local garages now, they use a wrong screwdriver for such screws and they screw the bloody screw up. Okay, so guys, this is common. It's gonna happen, and this happened with my 535 GT also, and that's why I powder coated it. So the first task after this job is I'm gonna remove this clamp. I'm gonna remove my entire headlight assembly, give it for powder coating, Sid will have to create this part. I have actually installed it. I didn't expect it to be so easy to install on this. It looks perfect. Strong, you can see that. And I have used the original washer of the motorcycle, and I have added the nut which has itself a washer. I just hope it works because I'm using it after 2 years. Plus the light is outside, so it will have a ring illusion basically, which will blink brighter than this. So you can see the difference now, and I'll add the other one now. And so easy, yeah. It's such an easy DIY, man. Okay, so as you can see, this is how it's gonna blink. My indicator is on now. I've shut it. Now I'll put it on. So we are testing it before putting it. The best part about this indicator is that you can even see it from here. You can even see it from here blinking, and you can see it from any angle.
Right. So we all know what this is.
Yeah.
This is your classic heat shrink tube. You take the tube, you heat it, it shrinks, it clamps onto the two wires, and you're done.
And unfortunately, it's from AliExpress. We had bought a whole pack for
This
it.
is the next iteration or the next upgrade. This too, this too is a heat shrink tube, but the difference is that it has got this in the middle.
The metal.
Yeah, the metal. This is your low heat solder. So it's basically this with a metal band in the middle. So if I'm putting two wires from here and I heat
if you
this,
just heat this,
it's not only going to be physically strong, but it's also going to be electrically strong because it's going to solder the two wires, not just join.
Yeah, it's not gonna join. It's gonna solder it.
Solder them, and nothing beats a solder. So
Yeah, nothing can beat that.
as an example,
So we'll show you all now.
yeah,
Right? ठीक है. So as you can see now, he's heating that, and the center ring, the metal, will actually connect both the. There you go. अरे सिद्धांत, ये सब तो चाइना का ही माल है. ये सब जो मंगाया था अपन ने, ये तो फेंकना पड़ेगा अभी. हाँ सिद्धांत, फेंकना पड़ेगा ब्रो. ये है ना. देखो गाइस, गौर से, यही है वो लड़का जिसने अभी भी चाइना का प्रोडक्ट रखा हुआ है. देख लो.
सारे भाई मेड इन इंडिया दो, मैं मेड इन इंडिया कर दूंगा. प्राइस दूंगा मैं.
हाँ, तो जिन लोगों ने खरीद लिया है ठीक है, एंड अदरवाइज तो अभी लेट्स सी. वी आर रेडी टू सपोर्ट मेक इन इंडिया, राइट?
सवाल ही नहीं.
Definitely. Someone seeing this video who's electrically sensible can make this India, make in India product, right?
Yep. It's not a very difficult thing. It's just a small upgrade.
It's just a concept. It's just a good tech. So if you have two fatter cables, this will work. But if you have thin ones like this, then we are using the smaller ones.
Yep.
So this is the second one. Okay, by the way, the bar end indicators by Eclipse, the green and black are the orange light. The red one is for the white light. So I'm disconnecting the DRL because I don't want the DRL light on whenever I'm putting the ignition on. If you want, you can put that on, it look beautiful, but I don't want any flashy lights when already a headlight is on. So we are using the rubber insulation for the wire which we don't want. We are not cutting it because in future if I plan to put something else and put it here, or on my touring setup.
I've folded the wire and I've
Yep. So now that wire is closed because we don't want any touching and giving a short anywhere. DIY manager excitement में बताऊँ क्यों? बताता हूँ क्यों इसकी एक्साइट. ये इसको सुट्टा मारना है, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ द सुट्टा हेडलाइट के यहाँ से डाल दिया इंस्टेड ऑफ पीछे से, और वापस से काटना पड़ रहा है. भैया टाइमिंग की कितना जल्दी कर देता है. 6 बजने में एग्जैक्टली 2 मिनट है. गो. वाह मेरे दोस्त, वाह. एग्जैक्ट 6:04 in my watch and 2 minutes to 6. So in 6 minutes he fixed the problem. चलो DIY manager, good job. चलो अब let's show the people the real look. Let's install everything back quickly. Okay, so the job is done. It was very quick. I thought it'll take time, and I'll take a night shot in my building, but right now it's around 6:15, 6:20. It's quite orange. It's literally amber. I mean, I don't know if the camera is doing justice. In fact, not. I can see through the camera it's looking a little yellowish, but it's bright orange. It's amber. Okay, so it's night time and I thought I will show you all the indicator light. I'm sorry, it's still a lot of light because of AHO, but as you can see, the flash. Now this is what I meant is this is how it looks nighttime. Visibility is good. The best part is it looks beautiful from the side. I really like this side a lot. And even from here, the person knows he's turning a left, which would not happen in such a situation. This is stock, bright enough, but I don't know if the camera does enough justice because the headlight is on. But personally, this is much brighter. So now if you guys install a flasher, all four will be activated. Yes, I have shown old school indicators in my past vlog, which was supposed to be on my motorcycle. Unfortunately, they don't have LED bulbs, so I'm working on that project too, but I just thought to add this, and now I will work on the rear end soon. So the job is done now, and I hope you guys like this video, and plenty more DIYs coming. Yep. So if you like this video, press the thumbs up button, subscribe.